I've decided to put another lift up flap on the left hand side of the kitchen unit. There's one on the right hand side next to the wash basin, but on the cooker side, at this side, there wasn't one. So I use a coffee maker when I'm on hookup. So no, I can't even say it. Dulce Gusto. Coffee machine. So I put a little lift up flap on the left hand side of the kitchen unit to put the coffee machine on, basically, because what I usually do is stand it on top of the cooker, the hob. If I want to use the cooker, the hob, I've got to move it across to the sink. So I'll put a lift up shelf on this side. I'll show you what I mean. I'll spin you around. Now, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but there's the shelf I've put on this side. Lift it up and it's locked into position there. I'll let you have a look underneath it. Just the lift up hinges, which I got off Amazon. I'll put the link on this little short video. This is a piece of worktop I had left in my garage, actually. It's a hardwood oak worktop, which I put in the cottage. Me let cottage further up the road. So it's just I had it left in the garage, so I've used it. It's only a nice thin one, which is the same thickness as that, which absolutely works out fantastic. So so I've got the shelf on this side for the coffee maker. I'll fit on there perfectly. I need to treat this because this has just been sanded, basically. It's just sanded at the moment, so. But I have got some treatment. You just rub it on and let it dry. Rub it on, let it dry, etc., etc. So, but it's just a piece of worktop. I know I've seen them get the proper matched lift up flap to the other side, but God knows how much they charge for that. I think it cost £16 for the hinges, and the scrap worktop I had in the garage. So it cost us £16 basically. But I just thought I'd show you that. Right, thanks very much, folks. This is only a little bit short video just to show you the lift up flap shelf at the side of the cooker. Bye for now.